So here's something that for someone who suffers from depression saddens me about it. And that is, yeah. But I think most people don't understand what an effect depressions can have on you. As I say, it's not for the lack of trying. If you haven't experienced it yourself, it's like super hard, I think. I think before I got depression, there's no way I could have imagined what it would be like. Before that, I thought depression's, yeah, okay, well, you're a sad person, not happy with life. Oh, dinner coming up.